morning, guys. We woke up. We are ready to start our day. It's 8 something. Almost dry in the street. At least here. This girl is so big already. It was like a little one here. Unnoticeable. Now her head is here. Everyone can see her. I'm checking if people cannot see. I'm speaking English to my phone. Because it feels weird. Now I have a stick for phone with me. It's good because dogs considering my baby on my belly like a food. Disgusting. So I can just, so they cannot come close to us. Yeah, I'm living in the dangerous place. Where is she? Where is she? Let's go other way. Where is she? Aww. Isn't she cute? Awesome. Not sun in my eyes anymore. Maybe we should go to the store. Hey, sun in your eyes. Maybe we should go to the store to buy something for tea when no people in there. See, even on camera, everything looks so green and nice. Tia. I want to check our vacuum cleaner. We have it here. This one that is going alluring. This one. That one. It's not working anymore. I want to check why. I think it's about battery thing. Oh no. I need to open. I think it's about battery thing. So I found a battery for it. I guess for it it's like $50 a battery to buy, but if to buy all vacuum cleaner it's much more expensive, so maybe I can fix it by my own hands. Okay, I have this one. Let's check what's there. Is it battery like they are showing? Okay, I have other one. I have other one size. This one is too small. Mostly, why is what the heck? Not working. Okay, looks like that. This one. I don't know. This Chinese thing. Oh, okie dokie. Yeah, this one I've seen. How to disconnect it. Okay, how do you think, guys, will that work? If I will just change that. Don't look, it's dirty because we were trying to use it a few times, but the battery is just good enough for 1 hot minute of vacuum cleaning. I cannot disconnect here. Okay, disconnected. I just should to push here. There is like a little thing. You just push it. Interesting. If I will connect again, will it become to work? To do like that, you know? Need to try. Okay, guys, how do you think? Should I try to buy a new accumulator for it? Like, will it help? Should I? I just don't want to throw away $50 if it won't work and I cannot back it. I don't know. Tell me, what do you think? Remember I was buying this teaser? She likes it a lot. This giraffe. Just very good. Yes. She can use like any side of it. Head, horn, legs, tail. She likes it. And it's very... I like to touch it. Nice material. Yay. Let's check if it's working. I don't know how it should work, but okay. Hold on, maybe. Nah, unlucky. Well, it moved a little. I fixed. She is very happy. She could get alone to the floor. She was there. Now she's here. And she did it by herself. Now she's gonna walk with dog soon. I was drawing a little this hand. I was using her handprint and was drawing a little. But looks nice, right? I can do the same with other one, with better version, I guess. What do you think? Can you imagine, guys? It's the first day we are not using air conditioner. All time before we were just using it all the time. Now it's kinda more cool in the street, better. So I'm finishing for today. It happened to be like a short walk, nothing going on here, all usual life with baby, changing diapers, carrying her, playing with her, um, sleeping with her, not with her, make her to sleep, and so on. Thank you for watching me. See you tomorrow.